Hi everyone. Today we'll teach you how to chat within a local network with another computer or your friend's computer or yourself. So first you need to install a NetCat tool. Command for this is sudo apt install NetCat. So next command is to start a server on your machine. So it will be nc-lnvp 2770. So 2770 is port number where you will start your server. So it has started, and now to check if you can send message on from one terminal to another terminal, it's a sample. Later we will see how my friend can connect to my computer and send the message. So for to connect locally, it will be nc 0.0.0.0 and port number 2770. Yeah, it's now connected. If I say message hey from terminal 2, I'll receive a message from hey terminal 2, and I can send a message from hey from terminal 1, and there in another terminal I'll receive the message hey from terminal 1. Yeah, same way I'll show you how my friend can connect to my laptop and send me messages. Okay, so I'll start again the server. To know what is your IP so that your friend can connect to you, this is the command ifconfig. Okay, you have to give this your IP to your friend so that it can connect to you. nc-lnvp and the port number 2770. So I started, and now my friend will connect from his computer. So his IP is 192.168.0.106. We are on the same network. So it's showing, yeah, he has sent hi. I'll say him hello bro. So he has received on his laptop hello bro. I good to meet you. Okay, how are you? Whoa, see magic. We can talk this way. So I hope you like my video.